Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make 3 different shapes using the pencil tool, shape tool, and the radial tool. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to some white space on my canvas. I've got a pen, so I'm just going to go to pen. I'm just going to draw a shape here. Alright, that is one shape done. That will work fine in the laser cutter. Really important when you're drawing, and then when you're drawing freehand, that anything you want as a cutout shape needs to be joined. Say for example, if I hadn't joined these lines, what you could do is you could try and redraw in that section. So get your pencil it in, and then you can use your selection tool, select both shapes, and you can do this. You can press Control G, and then if I zoom in a bit, I can press Control J to join those little parts of my outline. Alright, another way I'm going to show you how you can make a shape. We're going to use let's use this. So this is the multi-sided shape tool. If I click it and then tap, it's going to give me an option. So I can do backspace and 3. It'll give me a triangle. And that triangle I can scale up. If I hold down Shift, I can rotate and snap at 45 degrees. I'm going to hold down Alt, Shift, and drag that up. And I'm going to do that again. And I might just add, just because, a little stem at the bottom of this. So I'm going to click, drag, and add a little rectangle. You'll notice you should have this pink snapping on, so it'll tell you when things are aligned, which is really useful. I'm going to select all of these, and I'm going to go to Unite with the Pathfinder. Got a little line here which I'm not too happy with, so if there's something you want to delete, you can go to your pen tool. You can just delete that single anchor point, so it looks a bit neater. Alright, now let's see how this looks with the radial. I'm going to select it, and I'm going to hold Alt or Option and Shift. I'm going to drag it over to the side with my selection tool. And now I'm going to start manipulating this thing in a circle. So I'll go to Object, I'll go to Repeat, Radial, and I can slide this, and I can manipulate this. I'm going to see how this looks. I think that's looking pretty cool. Maybe bring it in a bit more. Right, happy with this. I'm going to go to Object, Expand, make sure both are checked. And now once I've done that, I'm going to click onto Unite, and I'll have what kind of looks like a snowflake, which looks pretty good. I'm happy with this. I'm going to scale it down, and this shape I could use for the top of my design, or I could use it on the sides. You can play with these things in many different ways. So I could scale this, I could copy it again, and then I could start overlaying these things together with Unite, so you can make brand new intricate shapes over and over again. Now just be aware that the laser cutter is cutting 3mm pieces of ply, So anything that is smaller than 3 mils, say this little square, is probably going to be quite flimsy when you cut it. So you don't want to have anything smaller than that for your line work. So good idea to make a little 3x3 square. Easy to do. Just click on the rectangle tool, left click on your canvas, and here you can type in 3x3. Make it red, and then you can sort of see, oh, is this design going to work or not? And don't forget, once you've finished your design, make sure you're scaling it to the right size of your pieces for your laser cut lamp. My example here is 120, and you'll be using your Maker Case website to create your different pieces. So here are some examples of interesting patterns. Not technically a pattern, but it's a pretty cool organic cell type structure. This design here, you can see, quite intricate. This just cut on the laser cutter, but if I put in my 3x3 mil box, you'll see it is basically on the very edge of what is doable in terms of how intricate and fine you can make your designs. So I hope that helps, and good luck using those different tools. And don't forget to use Pathfinder. Many different options here, and it'll also give you a little instruction